Jupiter and Saturn, the two gas giants of our solar system. Together, they make up over 90% of the planetary mass beyond Earth. But what if these colossal giants collided? What would happen to the planets? What would happen to the solar system? Would Earth survive? Get ready as we explore this mind-blowing scenario, one that's straight out of science fiction but backed by science. Asterisk. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a massive ball of hydrogen and helium, with its great red spot a storm larger than Earth raging for centuries. It has an enormous gravitational pull and over 90 known moons. Asterisk. Then we have Saturn, slightly smaller than Jupiter but no less fascinating. Its iconic rings stretch over 280,000 kilometers, and like Jupiter, it's mostly gas with a core of rock and ice. Combined, these giants hold over 800 times the mass of Earth. Now, let's imagine what happens when these two cosmic giants meet head-on. Asterisk. You might ask, how could Jupiter and Saturn ever collide? After all, their orbits around the Sun are stable. But in the chaotic past of our solar system, planetary collisions were common. Scientists believe our moon formed when a Mars-sized body collided with Earth. Asterisk. So, let's say something massive like a rogue star or a passing planet disrupted their orbits. Over millions of years, gravitational forces could bring Jupiter and Saturn on a collision course. The result? A planetary-scale catastrophe. So, what happens if Jupiter and Saturn finally collide? Here's the jaw-dropping answer. First, these giants don't have solid surfaces like Earth. They're mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the same ingredients that fuel stars. As they collide, their massive atmospheres would smash into each other, releasing unimaginable energy. Temperatures would skyrocket to tens of thousands of degrees, igniting shockwaves across the solar system. Deep within the planets, intense pressure could cause their cores to compress and heat up. Some scientists speculate that this compression could ignite fusion reactions, briefly turning Jupiter and Saturn into a star-like object. Think about it, a mini-star, glowing in the middle of our solar system. Asterisk. The collision wouldn't just stop at Jupiter and Saturn. The massive energy released would send shockwaves and debris flying through the solar system. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter could be destabilized, flinging rocks and debris toward Earth. Meanwhile, gravitational forces from the newly formed star-like object could alter the orbits of other planets. Imagine Mercury, Venus, or even Earth being pulled slightly off course enough to cause climate chaos or even collisions with asteroids. Earth's safety would hang in the balance. While we might not face extinction immediately, our skies would be filled with bright light and cosmic dust. The solar system would never be the same again. Now, don't panic. Scientists say the orbits of Jupiter and Saturn are very stable, and a collision like this is extremely unlikely in the foreseeable future. However, in billions of years, when the Sun begins to expand into a red giant, the outer planets may face orbital chaos. While it won't affect us directly, the solar system's grand finale could see planets colliding or being ejected into space. The collision of Jupiter and Saturn is a wild what-if, but it helps us understand the incredible forces at play in our universe. From violent impacts to star formation, our solar system is full of surprises. While Earth remains safe for now, these cosmic thought experiments remind us how fragile and unique our home really is. So, what do you think? Would Jupiter and Saturn colliding create a new star or bring chaos to the solar system? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more space content, and turn on notifications to explore the universe with us.